Do you need more bike mechanics and you want to train them faster? Or you need to increase the performance of your existing bike or e-bike repair shop? This graph shows you the real data from my company, as we have moved from very low productivity and hard to manage branch to high productivity and stress-free profitable operations. I was struggling in my own e-bike company for years to hire and train great mechanics, to keep the quality under control, to balance the performance with profitability. And for instance, we were training the first mechanic for 4 months, and by the way, there was a great mechanic from Whistler Bike Park. It took us a long time to get him on board, to understand our system and the way of work, and also to learn how to make electric bikes. But the less mechanics, it took us only days. This graph shows you monthly labor time per mechanic. What is the labor time? Labor time is the only time when a mechanic makes money. So when he turns the wrench or works with the computer. So there is not the waste time like running all over the place, looking for tools, getting the bikes. So that's a pure working time. We have set the times norms for this, and in the graph you see the measurements. So for instance, we were able to have a mechanic with 15 hours, only 15 hours of labor time. That happens with a complete newbie. Somebody who didn't work with bikes before, or he didn't work in a bike shop. It takes few months to get this guy to a standard level. Standard mechanics move most of the time from 40 to 90 hours. The best mechanics on the market have 70% productivity, and we were able to increase that even more. How did we do that? So we have changed the team roles completely, and we have changed the onboarding, hiring and training process. Then we have changed the environment, for instance the flow of the material through the workshop. And then we have worked a lot on the ergonomics of the workspace. We have changed the KPIs completely, and we have put systems in place to control all this, that it all works together. We have changed the salary from hourly based to commission based. What is important, we have also increased the planning. So we fill our pipeline to the service, we work with the calendar, and for instance we have also optimized the season peaks so that we work more in the winter and less in spring and in the summer. This system is all proved, and it took me years to make it work in my company, and we have tested it also in companies of my clients, and it really works. So this took me years, and it's a lot to speak about. So if you want to know more, and if you're interested in this topic, please visit the free webinar that I'm doing, and visit ebikesteve.com/repair. ebikesteve.com/repair.